In the lee of a picturesque ridge lies a small, unpretentious winery, one that pampers its fruit as its own babies. Hi! I'm Moira Rose. Just kidding, no I'm not. My name's Kyne. I'm here with CBC Life and this is your Halloween how-to makeup tutorial on how to transform your face into Moira Rose, Catherine O'Hara's character from Schitt's Creek. By the way, did you guys love that impression of her? I have been obsessed with this character ever since I got turned on to watching the show. And if maybe some of you guys wanted to channel Moira Rose for your Halloween costumes, then here is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. Alright, so I've completed my base makeup off camera. If you're interested, you can check out my YouTube channel to see my foundation routine. The thing is, I'm first of all Filipino and second of all a drag queen, so I use a darker shade and a higher coverage foundations that Moira Rose would. Use whatever base makeup you're comfortable with. The details are really in the eyes and the lips. For the eyebrows, I've painted mine on above my natural brows and I'm gonna color them in with this light brown sort of dirty blonde color which matches her hair. Moira has blonde, fairly thick brows. Now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow, and I'm starting by using a large fluffy blending brush and sweeping some brown through the eye socket line. We're going to build towards a black smoky eye, and I always like to do my smoky eyes from lightest colors to darkest colors. So go in with a second layer of brown to really deepen the color, and then you can apply the black to the eyelid underneath the brown using a flatter, denser brush. Be sure not to go above the eye socket so that the black is completely underneath the brown, and then just diffuse the line with a brush until there's a soft gradient from black to brown, and that's how you do a basic smoky eye. Now we're gonna do the cat eye using some liquid eyeliner. The easiest way I've discovered how to do these is I start off in the inner bit, and then next I do the wing, and then I just connect the end of the wing to the inner bit and fill it inside the lines. You can't do Moira without the black eyeliner in the waterline. To do this, you need to use a black eye pencil. Gel liner is also a way to do it, but don't use liquid liner like the one that I made my cat eye with. This black eye pencil gets right in there without making a big mess. You just pull down ever so slightly to expose the waterline of your eye, and then you just rub the tip of the pencil side to side until it's colored in. Don't poke your eyeball. Next, I'm applying some mascara to the top and bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna apply my false eyelashes. This is a few pairs actually that I stacked together. You just use lash glue and glue the band of one onto the other to create a lash with extra fullness. And then you just put the lash glue on your mega stacked lash and place it on your eyes right next to the lash line. And we're done with the eyes. I'm gonna put some blush on next. This is a matte peach toned blush. Moira's is very subtle. I wouldn't even call it really necessary, but it's there, I think, nonetheless. Almost done now. We're putting on Moira's red lip, and she doesn't have a super sharp cupid's bow, so I'm gonna draw over mine with lip liner and then fill it in with any red lipstick. And finally, if you've got brown eyes like me and you're comfortable, you can put in a pair of blue colored contact lenses to really pull the costume together. Now let's see the finished look with the hair and the outfit. Alright everyone, I'm finished. Now to complete your look, you're just going to want to throw on a blonde wig or any type of wig for that matter, some sort of black and white costume, and then just excessive amounts of gaudy jewelry. If you're a drag queen, you should already have these things in your closet, but they shouldn't be that hard to find. If you guys try this out for yourselves, be sure to tag me in your pictures. All of my socials are onlinekyne, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. You can also find more drag tutorials, hair, costumes, makeup on my YouTube channel, onlinekyne. And for more videos like this one, you can also follow CBC Life. But until I see you guys in the next one, I hope you're all doing well. Bye!